In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to customize your borders quickly right here in Google Sheets. So when working on a spreadsheet and you want to customize the look of your borders on your data, here's how you can do it. So I have an example right here on my second tab or my second sheet, and this is what it looks like. So we only have borders within our headers, like the outline of the headers, and for each column, you only have those borders around those columns. So we don't have those columns in between the rows, and for the headers, we don't have those borders in between the columns. Also for this sheet, I've removed the grid lines just so that we could see these borders as they are. Because if we do have our grid lines, this is what it looks like. But if you do want to remove those grid lines, just go to View, select Show, and uncheck your grid lines. There you have it. So going back to our borders, how do we create or customize our borders? So first, your border tool is right here next to your fill color and your merge cells tool. Here, if we click on this, we have the different type of borders. We have our all borders, our inner borders, horizontal, vertical, outer borders, left, top, right, bottom, and clear borders. So those are all very self-explanatory. We also have the border color where we can customize it, or we can select a different color, and the border styles, the heaviness of those borders, or a different type of border like your dashes, your dots, and your double borders. So we're sticking with this one right here. We're focusing on the different type of borders. So if I were to just select the headers right here, then go to borders, I'm going to select outer borders where it only outlines the outside of those selected range. If I click on it, there you have it. So if we were to move this, let me just move it one row down and one column to the right, so that you could see what it outlines. There you go. So we have those borders for our headers. Now, if we want to apply a border to this range as well, just the outer borders, we can select that range, then go back to borders and select outer borders. There you have it. Now, what if you only want to apply borders that would only separate your columns, not your rows, just your columns? So these are your vertical borders. So we're going back to borders right here and select vertical borders. And there you have it. So it's important to make sure that you're selecting the correct range, because if I did include the headers with my selection, these vertical borders would also be applied to that. But since I didn't, then they are only applied to the specific range that I have selected. Now, if I go to View here in the menu bar and uncheck my grid lines, we have this data with this customized borders around it. Now, what if we want to just apply horizontal borders? So we can remove the vertical borders right here. We are going to select clear borders, reapply those outer borders, and select our horizontal borders right here. And there you go. So we don't have any of those vertical borders within this data. What if we want to apply those vertical borders on our header? We can do so. Again, make sure to select the correct range. Go back to your borders in the toolbar and select vertical borders. And there you have it. So that's how you can quickly and easily customize your borders right here in Google Sheets. Now, if you still need some extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.